Hi everyone, my name is Ritu and my full name is Ritu. So today I am here with a new and latest story. Would you like to listen me? Tell me. It's very interesting. Okay, if you are insisting with this much, so let me start with you. So I have one plan that we are going to a birthday party. Yes, a birthday party. So we have Jack today, and the party is at Jack's place because it's Jack's birthday. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. Get ready, set with your tring because we are going to the birthday party. Knock knock knock. Hey Jack, yeah, we all are here to celebrate your birthday. And look at here, we have come up with our own new props. You can use it too. Yes. What I can see in the birthday party. There are other friends also of Jack. Yeah. Oh my God. I just bumped with Anna. In my childhood, I saw her. Anna, what are you doing? Dancing. Oh my God. Okay, let's have a move. After dancing, oh my God, what this Troy is doing? Troy, are you singing? Really? Oh my God, you must have a good throat and a good voice. Okay, let's enjoy. Like what is singing? I can understand. And we all crack a lot of jokes. Oh my God, it is great fun we are having in the birthday party. I'm so excited. Yippee! Hooray! Yippee! Hooray! Now it's time to cut the cake. Jack is cutting the cake. And we all are clapping. Clap, clap, clapping, dancing, and dancing move. We are drinking soft drinks like Pepsi, Limca, and other cold drink. Look at Jack. He's eating his cake very fastly. And we are also eating a little bite. It's delicious. After having a lot of fun, what I saw that Tom is yawning. He's yawning. He's getting bored from this party. Uh-oh, it's time to go. Now we are going back. Party over. Bye-bye. Now, after the party, I can show you more things which you can relate to the action verbs. Whatever we did in the party, we did actions. Yes, now I can see the child is crawling. Here they are wiping, and this girl, she is cleaning. And here they are washing dishes. I can see this child is laughing. And the girl is sitting. This boy is running. And again, this boy is jumping. So, we saw many verbs, action verbs, where some action is happening. I hope this video you can find useful by relating action verbs. The way I'm speaking, it's an action. I hope it's will help you to understand this concept. Thank you so much for reciting me. Bye bye. Take care.